thank you for coming back to my channel, to this video. Please give this a thumbs up and, leave comments. That'd be nice. If this is your first time here on my channel or you clicked on this video, you have great taste. Also, like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments, and subscribe, and hit the little bell button because there's more content coming your way. So anyway, this video is a little bit delayed, but that's my fault. School, life, and the pursuit of happiness got in the way of this. So my favorite BuzzFeed Now full-time YouTuber, Safiya, who recently just posted her wedding video that I didn't get a chance to watch yet because I've just been, busy life. Her collection with Colourpop, I got the full set of lipsticks and I'm super excited. I feel like I have a very similar style to Safiya, where it's like a kind of very vampy, very all black, like you don't really see me in a lot of colors except for today because I have this forest green top, but I had an interview and I couldn't look like Morticia Adams every day of the week. So I have the Colourpop colors, and I'm going to do swatches, and then I'm going to put them on my lips so you can see if they look like on someone of my complexion. I feel like for the most part, the colors are definitely going to work for darker skinned people. Maybe the only color that I have any issues is probably bikini bottom. So yeah. This is what it looked. This is what came with my Colourpop package, and it just says "Thankful for you" with this really cool thing. I'm thinking about keeping this. I really do like the design of this. Like, this is very artsy, very cute. I really appreciate that. So this is what it looks like. Our bat queen comes with 6 colors. I really do love this bat design. Like, that's very much, I'm glad that she kept true to herself, and these are colors that I've definitely seen her wear. So I'm super happy. Colourpop lipsticks are actually really great, affordable, non-drugstore lipsticks. Anyway, let's get in there. There's this funky shade called Brucey. This reddish deep red is Brucey. This red color is Fred. This is Bury Me on Lipsticks, which I think is adorable. Where was it go? Okay, Mrs. Norris. I know Mrs. Norris is the name of her cat that she has with Tyler. And then Bikini Bottom, which is kind of like a nudie peach color, which depending on how the swatch is, it might run a little cool. I already know that this might need a lip liner, especially a dark one, so I could like blend it out so it doesn't look as ashy. So I mean, for the exception of that one color, I feel like 5 out of 6 will do really well on my skin. I love packaging like this. I just love it. Like I've said many times on the channel, I am a sucker for packaging, so I love this cutesy design of the bat in the front. Let's open it. Let's get up in there. Sorry. Okay, again, I don't know if you guys can see, there's more bats on it. Okay. Let me show it. Why am I off? Wasn't built for a day. First color I have is Brucey. This is how much product you get in there, which isn't really bad. I believe they were either, I want to say $6 or $10. And on it, I don't know if you guys can see, like there's little bat imprints, which I think is so adorable. The packaging is adorable. This like little bullet shape color, which also has bats. Again, I'm here for an aesthetic. This is that like green color. Ooh, very, very pretty. Smooth, it glided on really well. No real issues, which is exciting. Wait. They don't have any smell to it, which is okay. And then, like I said, you get this much product, and once again, there's the bat thing. The bat imprint on the lipstick, which I think is adorable. This is the shade Screamer, which is matte. I don't know if they're all matte. They are all matte. I'm kidding. Ooh, this is beautiful. Again, this reminds me of Night Moth, which is my favorite lip liner from MAC. I feel like this would be like really great to pair with it. I feel like you can never have enough plums or dark burgundy colors. Not mad at that. Ah. Ooh, it's a nice red. Seems a little cool tone though. Right there. And this is the shade Fred, which is, no, they're not actually all mattes. This one is a cream. Interesting, interesting. I like that she's switching it up. And Bury Me on Lipsticks is also another cream. Ooh. That's Bury Me on Lipsticks. then we're getting to Mrs. Norris, which I love, which is more of a, I thought it'd be more cool tone from the picture, but it's actually very, very, I don't know, it's picking up, but very warm. Yeah, definitely very warm. And that is Mrs. Norris. I'm loving these colors. They're all colors that I would have bought by myself. Huh. Yeah, I definitely do need a lip liner for the last color, Bikini Bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's definitely more cool than anything. See, it's almost too nude. Like it would fit. Okay. So those were all of the swatches from Safiya Nygaard. Is that how you say her last name? Oh, she changed it probably because she just got married. Yeah, beautiful colors. There's a mix of mattes and creams. They glide on really well. There wasn't any like patchiness, and the colors are really beautiful. So we'll include some clips of me wearing each color. Okay, this is the first lipstick in the batch, or the first one that I tried, Brucey. It's the matte. I will say it applies very nicely. The only stipulant that I have is like it's supposed to be matte, but like I don't know if it's just my lips or it's just not as flat as I'm used to when it comes to a matte. There is some luster, which I'm not mad at. Maybe I'm just so used to mattes being very drying and this isn't the case, but I mean, again, not okay. It's not focusing. I tried. Yeah, Brucey is not bad. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if I would call it a matte, but I've never really owned any green lipstick. I've had blues and purples and somewhere in that like range, but I've never actually owned like a very sea foamy, sea witchy green. It goes really well with this outfit I have on with the, in homage of Safiya, I have like bat witchy sleeves. Really cute. So give this a 5 out of 5. It's really pretty. So right now I have on my lips, I have Screamer, which is another matte. This seems a little bit less luster, like has less shine to it than the green one that I had on. This is just right up my alley. I love these burgundy red type colors. It's more like a burgundy brown, maybe just on my complexion. Like I've said, there are no lip liners. This is just what these colors look naturally on my lips. I mean, it even goes with what I got on right now. I kept my eyes really simple. So love it. It feels really comfortable. No real complaints. 5 out of 5. Applies great. Doesn't leave my lips feeling dry, because you know Ruby Woo or like certain MAC lipsticks are very drying to the point where you're like, oof. But this is not the case with Colourpop's matte. Then I think these are the Luxe lipsticks that Safiya created. Yeah, I really love this color. I definitely see myself grabbing this winter, fall. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Super cute, right? Okay, this is what Fred looks like on my lips. Fred is a cream. It feels the same as the matte in terms of like, it feels very comfortable on my lips. When they said creamy, I don't know if that applied to like yes, it was easy to apply, but what do you mean by cream, creme, whatever? I thought with creamy it would be a little bit more luxurious, more lustrous on my lips, but like it's fine. Looks like any standard red lipsticks. Not unfortunately, there is no like blue undertones, which you know like the grandma red lipsticks, which is really nice and I appreciate that. I don't know. I guess like when I saw Fred here, I thought it'd be a little bit more vibrant and like maybe it's me, maybe it's my skin tone. I don't know, but I'm not mad at Fred. It's just not like, you know, you're expecting like to be like va va boom, je ne sais quoi, you know, like something just pop. I'm not really getting that with Fred, but it's a really pretty color. This is what it looks like on some of my skin complexion if you have a similar skin complexion. Yeah, I'm not mad at it, but it's just very like, it feels like any other red color that I could find at any Ulta, Walgreens, CVS type thing. I don't think I would gravitate towards it because I own a lot of reds. Yeah, but it's okay. It's pretty, feels nice on my lips. I would give this like a 3.5, 4 out of 5, personally. My humble opinion. Okay, so right now on my lips I have Bury Me and lipsticks, which I didn't think would be so light on me or on my lips, because like from the packaging, Bury Me and lipsticks is like I don't know, I just thought it'd be darker. I don't know if I'm like can't decipher colors, but I just wasn't expecting it to look this light. Right? Like I feel like what's on my lips and what's on the bottle is such a huge leap. I would definitely wear this with a lip liner, like maybe like a nice night moth or just any type of purpley red lip liner to like bleed it out, to like blend out. Yeah, I don't know, something about it on my lips just kind of bothers me. It feels like a very tame Candy Yum Yum by MAC, very like, I feel almost Barbie like with this color. It is just not what I was expecting with Safiya's collection. But like again, I'm not mad at it. It's just like this just feels very weird. Like just looking at myself through the camera right now, it's like, who is this person with this lipstick on? And yeah, I'm like, okay. Yeah, I feel very Candy Yum Yum, very Barbie, very okay. So right now on my lips I have Mrs. Norris, which I didn't think was gonna be as cool. It is a cream. Feels really nice on the lips. Would definitely, without 100%, without a single fucking thought, I would wear this with a very nice brown lip liner. Chestnut, any brown liner to make this look really good. It's just a little too pale. It makes me look a little bit like a ghost, very Casper-y, very, is she sick? Is she not sick? We don't know. It's not bad. It's okay. It's a little too cool tone, which makes sense because Safiya is of a lighter complexion, and these colors all looked great on her. They're probably more suited for people who are cool tone, but like if you're a brown skin girl like me, all you gotta do is add some lip liner to any color that doesn't necessarily work for your skin tone, and like they always look bomb. And if you know, add some gloss to that bitch to make it even more poppin'. You know, there's tips and tricks to make any lipstick work for you, but it's just like sometimes you just want a lipstick that just doesn't need to be worked at, I guess, worked at. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. Again, it's fine. 3 out of 5 personally. Okay, let me give this to her. This isn't like the worst nude that I've ever personally worn, but it is, like I said about Mrs. Norris, it's just a little too cool tone for me, and I have yellow undertones and I'm very warm in complexion. So would definitely, without a second fucking thought, I would wear this with a brow liner. Apply smoothly. I have no real complaints. It just doesn't suit my complexion. And for 6 lipsticks, I think they were all like $30 or $40. So I'm not gonna do that mental math. You can at home. But I mean, 4 out of the 6 shades fit me. 5 if I use a brown liner for Mrs. Norris, which I would do anyway. I didn't think Bikini Bottom would be so nudie. You know, like you see these colors, I don't know. I personally didn't think they were going to be, I didn't think it'd be this so cool tone personally, but like, I'm not gonna fault her. I mean, you know, things happen for whatever reason, but the packaging is cute. The colors are great. You get 6 really great colors for, you could wear this out night on the town, like that green color, and then you could wear this for like maybe the office. You're going out with friends, you're getting drinks, you're going on a date with your boyfriend, or you're going on a date with a new guy. It doesn't matter. I feel like these colors work from day to night, and I think they're really pretty. If you have a darker complexion, we're definitely gonna have to finesse the last 2, maybe 3 for that Bury Me and lipstick, because I personally am definitely going to wear a lip liner with it because it's just a little too Barbie-esque for my personal preference, but you probably don't need one. So yeah, like 4 out of 6. You know, you don't have to buy the whole set like I did. I think you could still buy the individual lipsticks, which is probably more realistic, but when I first heard she had a collection out, I had to buy the whole thing. And yeah, I would give this overall a solid 4 out of 5, just because the last 2 didn't work for me personally, but the collection is pretty. I love how she incorporated her love of bats and her witchy aesthetic and vibe, gothy. I don't know how you would categorize Safiya's vibe, but like they're really, really pretty. Love the colors, love the range. Could they've been more suited for all shades and undertones? Personally, yes, I feel like everyone should be doing that anyway, but it was a great start and I would love to see more from her. So anyway, thank you for watching this review of Safiya's lipsticks, Colourpop collection. Would definitely recommend, love it. Think you should buy some too. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Have fun, lovies. Bye.